Greetings, Saber Forum and other various and sundry saber enthusiasts. While I'm waiting for the latest saber I ordered, decided I'd go in and do some work on at least one of my existing hilts. What we have here is the hilt, or hilts, depending on how you want to look at it. Originally, these were purchased as my first ever sabers from Ultrasabers. This is a pair of Dark Initiate V4 LE with windows in the emitter. They originally had Dark Warglaive pommels. This one is a stunt. This one's got the Obsidian Light sound. Both have guarded switches. I've got an adjustable coupler, which is why the vents are slightly off kilter to help me line the buttons up. The wraps here were done with athletic tape to change up the grip and customize it a little. Now, over the holidays, I received this from one of the guys over at Ultrasabers, specifically Nicholas. I'm not going to give you his handle, mostly because some might object to it over a PC channel. But my intent is to replace the athletic tape with the goat skin here. When I got it, he told me it was not rinsed. I have since rinsed it, and it's wound up a nice chocolate brown. It's got a good feel to it. I'll probably be using E6000 to bind it to the aluminum of the hilt. But first thing that has to happen is the athletic tape has to come off. And for the first time in several months, the banding on the Dark Initiate V4 LEs is visible again. Next stop will be to cut a couple of strips of that and see about getting them glued in place. All right, after going through, removing all the athletic tape from the hilts, I've gone in, cut strips about so wide of the goat skin. Now, because of the length of the goat skin, I couldn't do it as one strip, so I wound up doing 3 strips for each hilt. And the end result is what we have here, the new, and I definitely can say improved, T'Challa's Herald. This is modeled for one of my characters from Star Wars: The Old Republic. As you can see, the seams are still visible between strips. That's okay, because in the story, she was actually making the character would have been making this out in the wild anyway, using materials found out in the wild. But as you can see, the end result speaks for itself. It looks a little rough, but that actually works really well for the story of the saber itself. Obviously, we've still got both ends still working. And once the glue has a chance to cure up, I'll put the blades back in, and I'll be able to use this thing for more spinning and or dueling, depending on my mood. But I want to thank you all for watching.